Hello everyone. I have an ongoing project that I've accepted within my profile, and the task is to list 5 SEO product pages for the brand in the section Personal Care Store. Now, when you click on the view duties, you're going to see the link to the assets for this brand. And when you visit the link, you're going to see 2 folders. One is the docs and the other is the images folder. So I've opened the images folder and I have gone into the product images subfolder. And in here is where you see the images of the products that I'm to list for this business brand. Now there's a lot of images in here, but my task is to list 5 products. When you go into the docs folder and you open up the product list Word document, you're going to see the 5 products that you've been assigned to list. Then using the names, you can then locate the corresponding images for each product. All right, so that's just how to get your assets once you accept your tax and how to know the products that you're to list for the particular store or brand. So let's open up the brand and let's see what their storefront looks like. Do they have product already listed? Because in some cases, the brand you may be assigned the project for may already have a product listed. So your job is to add more products to what's already listed in there. Next is to click manage now. You can add product, you can review the already added product for the business brand. If your task doesn't ask you to edit the description, then you shouldn't just. So let's visit the storefront and let's see what's going on in there. So this is the storefront that I've been assigned to list products for. And as you can see, they're already product listed for this storefront. So my job is to add an additional 5 to what's already on this storefront. We click on the add product, and this is where you're going to add the features of the product that you're listing. You have multiple steps from 1 to 5, and I'm going to start with the image, like the profile image of the product, which is like this image here for the product, the first image a customer would see. And I want to point out some key notes that you should take note of. So the product I'm to list is 5 of these products, and I've started with the Malai Gold Whitening Lotion, and I went online to search for the product so that I can have visuals of what the product looks like. If you check the products added to the asset link, you can simply see a replica here that you can use to then match whatever findings you're getting online. And as you can see, there are products for this particular item, which is Malai Gold Whitening Lotion 300 ml. But what I notice is none of these product images have white background. So this is where you're going to be using Canva to modify the background of any of the products you're downloading. So let's download a few more images and I'll show you what I mean. So let's save this image and let's say double stack. Remember, you need to name your images SEO friendly and not just leave them unnamed, like untitled is a wrong name. So in this case, I'm going to say bottle stacked side by side. Right, so this helps search engine understand what type of product images that are there. So I've gotten 1, 2, let's get one more that we can use so that I can show you what we can do. I think let's get this one. Let's call it a single front view. Okay, so I've gotten one already on my Canva, because I'm going to use Canva to remove the background, leaving it in a transparent background. When the product is uploaded, is actually shown in a white background by default. Next, we want to remove this background. This will simply remove the gold background, leaving us with a clear white background. And we can duplicate this and add more items, the ones we just downloaded. So let's grab one of these. Let's stretch this. Okay, so now I can then remove the background. Now you see how you can modify the images you get online and use Canva to remove the background. You can actually rotate this item so it looks different in a way from what's online. So you can just modify it to suit your needs depending on how you want to display the product. So at this point, I've been able to get 3 images, and let's go on and list the products now.